welcome back to Just Things Down. Here today, we have a hands-on problem for you guys. This problem is called the longest bridge. To start off, you're going to need two chairs. They should be probably the same height, the base at least. Keep them 2 feet apart so we can start our bridge. Now, the problem itself. With the materials provided, you must create the longest bridge possible that you can make and have a golf ball or heavy object put on it for more than 15 seconds. For every 3 seconds more that the golf ball or heavy object is placed on the bridge, the team will get an additional 2 points. Now, let's go over the materials provided. To start off, we have 5 rubber bands. We have a foot of string. We have 3 paper clips, 6 straws, 4 pipe cleaners, and a newspaper. Oh, I forgot. You also have a piece of name tag. You would put this on your thing. This replaces tape, which is normally what you would get. So a 1 inch by 3 inch piece of tape, or just a 3 inch piece of tape, should work. Keep in mind, you can manipulate or bend or do whatever you want to the materials, rather than be cut, break, or bend. So, for an example, you could set up your two chairs, make sure they're at least 2 feet apart, and you would take your newspaper, take your pipe cleaners, and tie them on each end. These are just a few examples of what you can do to make your bridge. Now, in order for your bridge to be properly scored, your bridge must touch both sides. If it doesn't touch both sides of the chair, it is disqualified. You will have 1 minute to think in advance before you start the problem, and 3 minutes to commence the problem. For this problem, this will be a team-built problem, so you can't do this on your own. You must have at least 2 to 3 people to do this problem. Keep in mind that time is of the essence. Don't waste time bickering between each other, and make sure you're very focused when it comes to doing these things. Thank you.